Hi folks, so now we're talking about eliminating the render blocking JavaScript and CSS in above the fold content. So we're going to break this down into two parts. We'll take a look at the render blocking JavaScript and then the CSS. For the CSS, we actually have a script that was provided by Google that will help eliminate the render blocking by loading CSS what's called asynchronously, or load those files multiple files at a time. Now when it comes to render blocking JavaScript, there isn't a nice cool script solution, so we actually have to get our hands dirty. Now I'll give you an example of what needs to be done, and then it's a bit advanced, I'll tell you that right now. Doing the enabling or eliminating the render blocking JavaScript requires some moving of files, some copying of files from one place to another. So I'll just show you as an example in Expression Web. I'm also going to be releasing updates, not updates, but releasing videos referring to each individual template, because each template is somewhat different. So eliminating your render blocking JavaScript may differ from one template to another. So instead of showing you start to finish, I'm just going to give you a general idea. And then as the videos for each individual template are released, I'll update the post, and you can just link directly to that and watch how to do it. I'm only going to be releasing them as requests come in, because I've only had a couple of requests for this from different members. So as time goes on, I'm sure we'll get more and more for older and older templates, and I'll have to do a specific tutorial. But let's just jump into Expression Web here, and we'll take a look at our template we have, this example template. We'll go into the templates folder, the template DWT, and really what we're doing is we're taking this script right here for jQuery and for jQuery Migrate. We're going to lift it off the page, go down to the very bottom of the page, and just move it down here. Okay, that is in essence all we have to do at this point. Is we're going to save, and then we're going to update. Now each template, like I said, will have some unique or specific additional changes, and there'll be files and scripts that you'll have to move in order to complete this process. But what we did right now will actually get you past the test. It'll actually bump our test up a little bit here, and what we'll show is just the we'll just do a quick analyze here and refresh. It will show that we've actually removed these two render blocking scripts right here, but it's also displayed three other scripts right here that we'll have to go through, and that's why I say each individual template will need to I'll need to go through and create a specific video for that. But basically what you're doing is you're taking a look at this information right here. You're saying, oh, these scripts need to be moved from higher up on the page to lower down in the page. All right. And in this example here, it's telling us that in the library sliders, full screen slider, here's our full screen slider page right here. The scripts are being loaded in at the bottom of the page of this full screen slider, and the reason they're done this way is you can take the asset or the library file, you can take it from one page and embed it directly into another page without having to copy over all the different scripts down here and whatnot into the bottom of each page when you do it. So basically you can just take one include, paste it into another page, and you're pretty much done. It's easier or simpler for the end user. But when it comes to the page speed in your final production run of the template or your final production run of your website, then to get past the Google PageSpeed Insights or to get a better score, we are going to have to move these files and copy them into the page directly. And like I said, for that I'll show you for each individual template.